Have you ever found yourself in an unfamiliar neighborhood, trying to figure out which way the bus goes, wishing you had a handy paper map to guide your journey? It is a common experience when navigating a big city. Yes, you absolutely can still get a physical MTA bus map, though they are not as widely distributed as they once were. The most reliable way to secure one is by visiting an a customer service center, typically found within larger subway stations or at certain transportation hubs. The reason physical maps are less common today is primarily due to the significant shift towards digital resources and environmental considerations. The Metropolitan Transportation Authority, or MTA, has invested heavily in digital tools like their official website and real-time tracking applications. These digital platforms offer up-to-the-minute information about bus routes, schedules, and service changes, often making them more practical for daily use than a static paper map. To get your hands on a map, first, check the MTA website for a list of customer service center locations and their operating hours. You might also find some maps available at major transit hubs or information booths, but availability can vary. If you prefer, the MTA also offers a mail order option for maps, which you can inquire about through their customer service channels. Remember, these maps often cover specific boroughs rather than the entire city in one large overview, so be sure to request the area you need. An insider tip for truly comprehensive planning is to use both digital and physical resources. While a physical map gives you a great overview of routes and connections, the digital tools provide real-time updates on bus locations and potential delays. This combination offers both the big-picture understanding and the immediate practical details you need to travel efficiently. Also, keep an eye out for specialized maps that focus on particular regions, like the Bronx or Queens, as these often offer more detail than a general citywide bus map. Ultimately, securing an MTA bus map, whether in print or digital, empowers you with the knowledge to explore New York City's vibrant neighborhoods with confidence. By understanding the available resources, you can smoothly navigate the extensive bus network and truly experience all that the city has to offer, turning every ride into a chance for discovery.